He's an orator and he wants to hold a speech.
Well, speak.
Our future is in our hands.
One more thing.
And democracy will lead us to victory. She prevents her from expressing herself.
Don't
to
tell
say
me
something.
what she does. I want her to, as a character to say something.
Yeah, she said, I prevent her from saying anything.
Okay, something else too. How does she feel about her character?
Her speech makes her kind of tired, sick and tired.
Who are you to speak?
Dihar შენ საერთოდ რომ ხმა ამოიღო, გაჩუმდი ახლა.
I would just to comments without truth.
მე მინდა რომ რაღაცნაირად დაისადგუროს სამართლიანობა.
მე ვარ ძალა, რომელიც საშუალებას არ აძლევს ჩემს წინაპრებმა.
He is the force which doesn't allow the person who is standing in front of him to listen to what people are saying.
Do you think this is a strong picture?
Yeah,
okay. Relax and tell us what's the name of this photo.
Freedom of speech.
Bravo. Okay, last group. Are we ready? Everybody ready? Don't forget tell me what's going on in this picture. Kind, be specific. About? What's the story here? Yes, because he looks like he's a judge. And he's paying off the judge. What are these two? Who are these two people here?
The next lady.
So what do we think is happening?
So she thinks that these two are just ordinary citizens. They somehow managed to get closer.
Okay, let's find something out here. Everybody has a right to go anywhere, she says.
Okay.
Translation.
ყველას აქვს უფლება რომ იქ წავიდეს სადაც თვითონ სურს ყოფნა.
I hate my job.
ვერ ვიტან ჩემს სამსახურს.
So it looks like a consulate for visas.
საკონსულო არის თუ რა?
And corruption, yes.
Maybe that's
Okay, relax. Name of the photo?
დასახელი
This is our home.
What?
This is our home.
It is our home.
This is our home.
Ah.
ეს
Translation.
I said Earth.
Earth.
Earth is
დედამიწა ჩვენი სამშობლოა.
Okay, can we go back to our circle very quickly? We have to finish because we don't have much time. But firstly, I'd like to say I thought all the photos were really strong, really good. So what we might do next is we might then start to move the picture. And we might create a little story that comes out of each picture. Very short. With a little bit of dialogue. And then if we had the time, we'd look at each of those
ზოგადად ყველა ამ ისტორიას ნახავდით.
And then we take turns, whoever wanted to, replacing who we thought the most oppressed person was.
და მე შევძლებდით თქვათ სხვის ისტორიაში რაღაცნაირად ჩართვას და იმ როლის მიღებას, რომელიც მოგოწონებოდა.
And see what we could do to change the situation.
ან შევძლებდით იმ სიტუაციებს.
But I mean, that's a long way off and we don't have time to do that. But I hope from what I said and this little bit that we did, that it gave you a little bit of a taste.
იმედი მაქვს, რომ ის რაც ვისაუბრეთ და რაც ახლა გავაკეთეთ, სავარჯიშოები რაღაცა პატარა გემოს გაგიჩენთ.
About theater can be as a tool to start to implement social change for ordinary people to start to think of new ways, new solutions to old problems.
ანუ როგორი ძლიერი ინსტრუმენტი შეიძლება იყოს თეატრი იმის გამოსახატავად, რომ თქვათ ძველი პრობლემები რაღაცა ახალი საშუალებებით დავინახოთ.
So I'd like to do just a very quick exercise to close this session.
ძალიან სწრაფი ერთი სავარჯიში კიდევ იმისთვის რომ დავასრულოთ.
It's quite a lovely little exercise.
ძალიან საყვარელი სავარჯიში.
And this is how it works. So we stand in a circle.
ანუ წრეში დგება.
And together we're going to make a rainstorm. The rain's going to come and then it's going to go.
ანუ გავაკეთებთ ახლა რაღაცნაირად წვიმის
Some of you might know the exercise. It's gone around the world. So I'm going to start. You keep doing. It's very important. You keep doing the action from before until you're given the new action.
ანუ ვიდრე თქვენამდე რაღაც ახალი ქმედება არ მოვა, ის არ შეცვალოთ ის აკეთეთ, რაც აკეთებთ ახლა.
Do you follow what I mean? Okay, let's try. So I start. Wait till you get it. Pass it on. Pass it. Pass it. And listen.
Thank you. Beautiful.